In this video, we're going to look into the Floorp, Vivaldi, and Brave. So if we had to switch browsers today, which one should you use? Let's look into the video. So Floorp here is basically Firefox on steroids, in simple. It's built by a Japanese team focused on privacy, customization, and power user features without Google tracking everywhere. So that's Floorp. The Vivaldi is the ultimate customization browser. It's made for people who want complete control over everything, like tab layout, side panels, and everything. It's actually for productivity addicts. And the Brave here is the mainstream privacy browser. It blocks ads and trackers automatically, loads instantly fast, and feels very similar to Chrome as well. Okay, so now look into the pros and cons of these browsers. Like the Floorp here, it's lightweight. You get like um, Firefox privacy, and it supports vertical tabs as well. So, and it also supports like many V2 style extensions as well. And you have serious like user interface tricks as well here. But on the downside here, it still feels niche because some updates can be buggy as well, and certain websites optimize better for Chrome browsers. And Vivaldi here, so Vivaldi is actually uh, more almost like every it's more like customization. It's more onto customization. You can literally move every UI element, like tilting, like split screen browsing, and a lot of things, like especially for multitaskers might be really good. But on the downside is that there's a catch. The interface is dense. Okay, so the settings menus are massive, and if you're not a power user, then half the features will probably untouched by you. And Brave here, it's actually the easiest among all these three. Just install it, you open it, and done. That's it. You can use it. It has built-in ad blocker, and it has excellent privacy as well. But on the downside is like the crypto integrations, wallet features, and the Web3 stuffs can be feel a bit unnecessary here. And some people also dislike like the Brave's aggressive branding to its privacy, and it's more private than Chrome, okay, as well. And so if you're trying to switch between these browsers, I would say if you're a casual user, use Brave. It's fast, easy, stable, and requires literally zero setups. But if you're a productivity need, you can try Vivaldi because nothing else gives you this much control over your workflow. Or if you are like a privacy focused power user, then try Floorp because it feels like the what Firefox fans always wanted. So this will be an ideal option for you.